Hello my good people, welcome to the Boss TV. Eastern African countries have increased investment in infrastructure projects over the last 5 years, with Tanzania leading the way in terms of the value and number of projects that broke ground in recent years. Improving the transportation infrastructures is a key priority for the government of Tanzania, since nation's roads, ports, railway and airport infrastructures is critical for the country to improve its internal and external trade and commercial activities. Moreover, the sector's further development goes hand in glove with improvement in the energy sector as Tanzania strives to become a middle-income country. The government of Tanzania is implementing several projects, and in this video I will show you 7 biggest projects being implemented in Tanzania right now. Number 1 is the construction of standard gauge railway (SGR). Tanzania's SGR uses electric locomotives and has the capacity to transport passengers and cargo shipment at 160 kilometers per hour. The SGR will link Tanzania from the port of Dar es Salaam to the neighboring countries of Rwanda, Burundi, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The SGR consists of a network of 1,219 kilometers developed in 5 phases. Phase 1 is from Dar es Salaam to Morogoro, 300 kilometers. Construction was inaugurated by the late Tanzanian President John Pombe Magufuli on 12 April 2017. Construction is underway by Yapi Makis contractors from Turkey. Phase 2 is from Morogoro to Makutupora, which is 422 kilometers. The construction of the project was launched by the late Tanzanian President John Pombe Magufuli on 14th March 2018. The initial stages of the construction have started under Yapi Makis. Phase 3 is from Makutupora to Tabora, which is 294 kilometers. The agreement of the construction of the project with Yapi Makis was signed by the Tanzanian Railway Corporation (TRC) on behalf of the government on 28 December 2021. Phase 4 is from Tabora to Isaka, which is 130 kilometers, and Phase 5 is from Isaka to Mwanza, which is 249 kilometers. These phases are in various stages of procurement. The second project is Nyerere Hydro Power Plant, previously known as Stigler's Gorge. NHPP has been designed to produce 2,115 megawatts of electricity. The project will also have other benefits to the community around the project site. The project is being undertaken within the northern part of what is now Selous Game Reserve at Matambwe. Tanzania currently produces 1,450 megawatts of electricity in an addition of 2,115 megawatts from the NHPP will see the country produce more power than its current requirements, which is a critical ingredient in envisioned economic transformation. Implementation of this grant project has been prioritized by the 5th and 6th phase government as a way of honoring Mwalimu Julius Nyerere idea mooted in 1980s to produce power from Stigler's Gorge. Number 3 is East African Crude Oil Pipeline, also known as Uganda-Tanzania Crude Oil Pipeline. It is a 24-diameter pipeline that is under construction between Uganda and Tanzania. The pipeline, with a planned capacity of 216,000 barrels of crude oil per day, starts in Biseruka sub-county in Hoima district in Uganda West region and in a general easterly direction to pass through Rakai district in Uganda, Bukoba in Tanzania, loop around the southern shores of Lake Victoria, continue through Shinyanga and Singida to end in Tanga, a distance of approximately 1,410 kilometers. Number 4 is Msalato Airport. The project is part of the program to expand the East African nation's infrastructure. It is under construction in Msalato, 12 kilometers from Dodoma city center. It will include a passenger terminal, runway, and related infrastructure. The new airport project, which will take approximately 4 years for construction, will have a capacity to handle 1 million passengers annually and will have a runway of just over 3 kilometers in length. Number 5 is Kibaha Sinotan Industrial Park. The project is to be completed by 2024 and is expected to make Tanzania an African industrial product hub. The proposed industrial park will cover a total of 2,500 acres and create 100,000 direct employment opportunities and 300,000 to 400,000 indirect jobs upon completion. On completion, the proposed Sino-Tanzania Industrial Park will be the largest industrial park in Southern Africa. The industrial park will contain manufacturing units for pharmaceuticals and medical equipment, automotive assembly, the processing of agro products, clothing and leather goods. Number 6 is Busisi Bridge, also known as Kigongo Busisi Bridge. This is a bridge under construction in Tanzania. When completed as expected in 2024, it will span 3.2 kilometers, 2 miles across the Gulf of Mwanza, linking the area of Kigongo in Mwanza region and Busisi in the Geita region, cutting crossing time from 35 minutes by ferry to 4 minutes by automobile. It is reported to be the longest bridge in East Africa and the 6th longest on the African continent. As part of this road infrastructure project, a 35-kilometer, 22-mile tarmac road will be constructed to link the eastern end of the bridge to the city of Mwanza. Before the construction of this bridge, there was no road link between Kigongo and Busisi. A ferry was the only means of connection between the two sides. The ferry takes 35 minutes to travel the distance, but pre-boarding, boarding, travel and disembarking can last as long as 3 hours. An average of 1,600 automobiles cross the Gulf of Mwanza using the ferry every 24 hours. That number is expected to increase to 10,200 every 24 hours when the bridge is completed. Number 7 is Dar es Salaam Bus Rapid Transit System. Dar es Salaam is making a shift toward faster, cleaner, and more reliable urban transportation with a new BRT system. Dar es Salaam is the first East African city to implement a bus rapid transit BRT project. The ambitious project, which will eventually cover 130 kilometers and save 90% of the population, is being phased in incrementally. When fully implemented, the BRT system will provide better, more environmentally friendly and more efficient mobility to the city's residents. So there you have it, top 7 biggest projects in Tanzania. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, share and subscribe to The Boss TV. See you next time, my friend. Until then, as always, bye bye.